everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to stop by and check us out. If you are returning, thank you so much for choosing to come back and see what we got going on today. Well, either way, if you are currently not subscribed, if you are not a part of the Seasoned Beauties family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and hit the notifications bell. That way, you'll be the first to know each and every time a new video is uploaded. Our video on today is long overdue. I didn't even realize that I had not done this unboxing yet, and that is the Target Beauty Box. I had it for 2 weeks, y'all, so my apologies. So what we're going to do is jump right in. For those of you who are not familiar with the Target Beauty Box, it is $7 per month, and you get Target's picks of the month, and they go ahead and they send them out. Sometimes there are full-size products in here. Most of the time they are deluxe samples. Okay, now when we open up the box, the first thing inside is our description card and coupon. By the way, I'm all about that coupon life. And this one is Gym Bag Beauty. It says hot yoga at 6 a.m., hot date at 6 p.m. Back-to-back meetings in between. We've all been there. That's why we keep our favorite beauty essentials stashed in our gym bag at all times. Whether you're a yogi, CrossFit cutie, or Stepmaster queen, these power products are sure to keep you looking good and feeling fresh all day long. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. Okay, and so we open it up, and here are our products for the month. And the first item that we have is by the company Simple. All right, and this one is a deluxe sample of, okay, I don't know if you can really see it, but this packaging is pink on this one. And this one is the Sassy Sachet Moisturizing Face Wash. Okay, now Simple is the brand that caters to sensitive skin. Okay, and this one is a 1.6 fluid ounce size, which I really like. It's got a twist off cap. You can turn it back on, so when you don't use all of the product, you don't have to worry about it falling over and spilling out. Okay, and it says this is the moisturizing face wash, formulated with skin-loving ingredients and triple purified water to gently cleanse and provide instant hydration. And then the next item that we have is also by Simple, and this one is the Micellar Cleansing Water. This is the blue packet, okay? And this one says Micellar Cleansing Bubbles. Really? Lift away makeup and impurities, leaving skin refreshed, hydrated, and revitalized. Okay, and this one as well is a 1.6 fluid ounce size. And I will leave the manufacturer suggested retail price for the full size products at Target, of course. All right, the next item that we have, it's a little towelette However, this one is the Frizz Defy Anti-Frizz Sheets. On the go frizz sheets are crafted with argan oil to calm static and help seal out humidity so tresses are perfect whenever, wherever. Okay? And that is by the company Nexus. It is one towelette inside. The next item that we have is, this seems kind of random because this is supposed to be a gym bag. Okay, nonetheless, this is Crest Kids. You see what I'm saying? It just seems awfully random. Okay? Duh. This is, I'm telling you, it really seems random, but okay. It says the Anti-Cavity Cavity Protection Fluoride Toothpaste in Strawberry Rush. Okay, and the crazy thing is this one says it's Kids Crest. It just seems a little random. The next item that we have is Head and Shoulders Smooth and Silky Shampoo. And this one says intense moisture nourishes hair, leaving strands sleek, 100% flake-free, and controls frizz for 24 hours. Let me tell you something, it smells good though. Okay, and this one is a deluxe sample as well, and it's 3 fluid ounces, so just know this size you cannot take on the plane with you. Keep it in your gym bag. Okay, and the next item is the Companion Smooth and Silky Conditioner. Okay, same scent. Did I even tell you what the scent was? How about that? Yes, I did. This one is the Head and Shoulders Smooth and Silky Conditioner. Once again, 3 ounce size. You cannot take this size on the plane. Just so you know, they will confiscate it. Okay? Keep it in a gym bag. And the last item in the box is by w.o.c. And this one is the Radically Rejuvenating SPF Day Cream. Okay, and this is SPF 30. And it's made with turmeric, fusidic acid, and vitamin C. This is a 1 fluid ounce size. That's a nice size too. That is a nice size too. It's double sealed, so, but we're going to go ahead and pop it open because moisturizer is always in order, especially one with SPF. It absorbs quickly into the skin. Alright. Okay, and these are the contents of our July Target Beauty box. Let me know down below if you decide that you want to check it out. All you have to do, if you decide that you would like to try this box out, is go to target.com/beautybox, okay? And check it out. I thank you so much for spending time with me on today. I apologize for the lateness. I really did forget about the box. Not that it's not any good, because it is. I just had quite a few boxes at once. But no excuses. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.